Hello friends, my name is Lokesh. So today we'll learn the tutorial of Requestly.com. So Requestly is an OpenAI to test the client API to test the API. So it can be used by the developers, QA, where they can debug and they can validate the request using this Requestly API client. So it is a lightweight and we can say that it is a alternative of Postman. So and the lightweight API. So we will go definitely for the use for using the lightweight API and we'll get to know the exciting future what the Requestly API client provided. So we will go to the requestly.com site and we'll get to know how to install and open the requestly.com. So in this browser you can see in the download, so there are two options. So you can use either Chrome extension or you can download the app in the window operating system. So I have already installed that in my system. So now go and let's check how to use it. So in the Requestly app, in the left side, you can see there are various options. So in this API options, here we can create the GET request, we can create the POST request, PUT request, patch, and delete request. So now first we go with the GET request, how to use it. So similarly, based on your requirement, you can test the another API request using that method. So I have a JSON placeholder uses API. So that is dummy data, the user data, which is providing that after calling this API. So I will make the request. So it will fetch the data for me, and the other options, the header, which is showing that what is the content type and the URL and this all this information in the header that is provided. So in this you can also find the feature like the script where it is already written test cases showing over here. So you can test the result after executing this and you will see that like there are some test cases are passed and there is failed. So based on that requirement, and you can use the test cases and you can write the test cases if additional test cases if you require, so you can put it over here and test it. So there is another feature, the get client code that is provided, and we can go over here in this and we can get the execute code based on our requirements. So let's see for the JavaScript axios and the fetch. So this is the code, the client code they have provided it. So when you are writing the code, so you can copy this code from here and paste it over there, and you can test the API. So there is another option, the network. So before going to network, if you want to save it or not, so okay, let's save it first and jump into the okay. I'm not saved. I will go to that network tab. So what is that providing that in the network? So if we want to intercept the API while using the external app, so this is the feature provided by the using this option network. So let's see how we can use it. So first we need to connect this app. So we have different options are there like install browsers, mobile app, terminal process, and other. uh, we'll go one by one, so how we can use this feature. So first we have an install browser. So this is if you want to test this API in the Google Chrome, so it will intercept this API and will show it over here. So this is the here it will show it here, like the list of this API which is already being intercepted. So that is showing it here. So I will clear it, clear the log, and will check with the new API. So before this I will launch the Google Chrome first. So let's see, I'll give this one the JSON. So after clicking the enter, so you can see this, it has been intercepted and it is showing it here. So if you want to edit this API and replay this, so you can also do this. So I'll show this, like if I want to edit and replay with this particular user after making this request, so it will show that. So isn't it the exciting feature that is provided by the Requestly? Similarly, we will go to the another, like this feature, the mobile apps. So if you want to intercept the request by connecting with the mobile app, so you can intercept using the Android or the iOS device. And there is a terminal process. So here it is, like you can intercept the API request, I mean the API call, by giving this command, the curl command in the command prompt, or the using the PowerShell. So you can use it and intercept the traffic. There's an others, if you want to set up the manual proxy, so you can change the proxy of your Wi-Fi and update this uh, proxy setting over there, and you can intercept the traffic. So this is the features that is provided by the Requestly. You can use it to test and debug the API's calls without using the like backend code. So you can directly test it over here and check that all the like the parameters or the query parameters you can pass, or the headers information, like you can provide it. So these are the, I think so, this is a lightweight API, which is I can say that is the alternative of Postman API, and comes with the like better features that is provided over here as compared to Postman. So you can try and test and debug your API calls over here. So if you like this video, and please subscribe and share. Thanks for the uh, for watching the video.